So we have the shortcut of AFC for component. So let's do the header. Okay, so we will copy the user button, and also we'll need to use user. What else do we need here? So we need the logo, so import logo from, so let's do the public assets. Let's take the logo here, of course exporting default. And what else do we need? We will need the styles, so styles from app, styles the home module, and that's it. So we can do const we need from the user. We will need the user and is loading. Okay, so let's you see we don't have the header here on our page. Let's get back to the page now. No. Okay, let's do import header from components header. So of course we need now to return something. So we have the section. This section will have the class name of styles header. So I have prepared all the styling so that you don't need to write something extra. Of course, if you want, you can. Let's write one more section. So this section will have a class name of styles logo. We will need here use client, and we will okay, we will have the link. So we will import link from next link. So href to the main directory, and here we will need the image. So import image from next image. The image will have source of logo. So we have imported here. Let's do the logo and width of 150. We can see we have. So after link section, this one. So down below here, let's get to the another section. So this section will have the class name of styles nav, and inside we will have another section. Let's give this class name styles nav items. Okay, we will have here 3 links, so let's write here like href generated. Let's give the class name of styles.link. So inside we can do p and we can write generated vacancy 1. So we need a few more. So let's copy and paste it here, liked, and the third profile. As you can see. Okay, after the link section, let's do the search section. So let's give a class name of search section. Let's close this one. Okay, we need to have inside div. So this div will have the class name of styles search container. After search container, we can use the search tag. So let's close it, and for the search, let's give the class name styles search icon. Okay, so let's give the input. It will have the type of text. The placeholder will be search for image, and we will have the class name, so styles input field. So we will of course have the functionality, but let's do it later. So after this search section, let's create one more section, and let's now give the brackets. So if it's loaded, or if there is a user, or otherwise we can do the div. So this div will have the class name of styles user button, and we will have the button so this button will have the on-click functionality, but let's do this later. So for now, styling, so let's give for him the generate button, and let's write generate. Okay, and after generate button, or no, on this div, on the same div, let's do the user button, and we will give after sign out to the root folder. So let's save it. Guys, I've made one mistake, so we need the middleware not inside our app, but inside our source folder. So we see it here. Let's refresh our app. So let's click continue. After logging in, you're on home page. So as you can see, we had generate button, we have our profile, and good looking header with a background image. Let's go back to our home page and let's give the search functionalities. So let's create search query, set the search query, so use state, so we will have the use client. So for our header, let's give the set search query. Okay, let's go to the header. Let's give the props. Okay, let's create function handle search change. So give it E. So let's get the function from props, not a function but the hook use state. So do the e dot target value, and let's give the this functionality to our input. So on change handle search change. So okay, after we will have the items, I will show you how to this functionality works. So for header, let's close it for now.